Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today I'm going to be talking about healing, the healing process, what it has meant to me. And the first thing I want to mention is that the very first thing that I would want to introduce to someone who's wanting to go through the healing process is the concept of logic. You see, most of us don't seem to use logic when it comes to the healing process. So, teaching logic is something that anything living can probably grasp. It's so easy that, for an example, a kitten could do it, or a cat. A cat could apply logic. However, as mostly wild animals, nature is the only thing that is not able to sometimes communicate effectively in terms of higher logic when there's some other danger around that should be taking precedence. For some people, that might not matter because we can't really see past tomorrow. We can't see how many days we have left with our friends. And so that's why it pays to not argue with our friends and to apply logic first when it comes to the healing process. I might be talking passionately, but that doesn't mean that I've lost any concept of logic. So for me, logically, I'm going to put in my workout today. This is logically what you need to be thinking about as time goes by. We're going to put in the time today that's required to better the situation. All of these things I'm talking about logically make sense if we're able to communicate with one another and not just at the topical level. We're changing direction now, but we're going to the same place. I'm about to go to my appointment so that I can improve not only my own existence, but the well-being of others.
Until next time, peace, love, and all that old school stuff.